What actually happens if we decide to work with you? And that's a fair question because switching or hiring an IT partner feels like a big step. You're letting someone into your systems and your files and your workflows, the things that keep your business running. So today I just want to walk you through what that process actually looks like in plain English, so there are no surprises. I'm Karen from Sanders IT Consulting, and most of the work we do is helping business owners feel less overwhelmed by technology and more in control of it. Most clients come to us a little unsure. They're wondering, is this going to be disruptive? Is everything going to change overnight? Are we going to have to learn new systems immediately? And the honest answer is no. Our job is not to flip your world upside down. Our job is to stabilize things first, then improve them over time, because the last thing any business needs is an IT renovation project where nothing works for 2 weeks. Everything starts with a conversation, not a sales, not a technical interrogation. Conversation. We ask things like, what's been frustrating lately? What feels risky? What slows your team down? What's working well that we should not? And that last one matters. Not everything needs to be replaced or upgraded. It just because it exists. From there, we move into what we call a tech clarity review. This is where we look at your devices, your security, your email, backups, software, how your team actually works day to day. And for most clients, this is the first time everything's been looked at as one connected system instead of separate pieces. This isn't about finding everything wrong. It's about understanding what exists and where the real risks and opportunities are. And for that, we create a roadmap. And this is important. It's not a giant list of you must fix all of this immediately. It's here's what's urgent, here's what can wait, here's what would make life easier, here's what you're already doing well. Clients often tell us this is the moment that things finally feel manageable because now there's direction instead of guesswork. Once a client decides to move forward, onboarding begins. And this is where we document the systems, put monitoring in place, strengthen security, organize the act, make sure support pathways are clear. Most of this happens quietly in the background. Your team can keep working while we build the foundation underneath. And we move at a pace that makes sense for your business, not ours. I always tell clients, we're not here to come in and press a giant replace everything button. No one wants that. The goal is to make things feel calmer, not more complicated. And sometimes the biggest win in the first month is just simply things stop breaking. People stop guessing, and there's finally a plan. By the end of the process, clients usually feel two things: relief and clarity. You know what you have, you know what needs attention, you know someone is keeping an eye on it with you. And if you're at the stage where you're wondering whether it's time for a more structured IT support, the best next step is to start with a conversation. No pressure, no commitment, just a chance to talk through what's going on and see if we're the right fit.
Love technology with Sanders IT Consulting. We are here to make it simple. Call us now.